Alright guys, so today what I'm doing is I'm not fixing anything. It's more like an upgrade. You know, technically a fix, but more like an upgrade, because the lights still work, but I just wanted a nicer ones and something that looks, you know, I bought it like this and I always plan to do some stuff to it, get it as close to former glory. Some of the stuff I already got done. I only got like few things left, like redoing the tint and a few other minor stuff. But one of the main stuff I needed to do and wanted to do was replace this tail light that the original owners kind of tried their best to make it look cool. They spray painted it black instead of just like buying that thing that you could put over it to make it appear black. I guess I didn't think of that, and the paint's all peeling off. It's kind of cracked. The light itself still works, but you know, it's not to my liking, so I bought new ones that looks different than the way these look when they come on. It looks more modern. These just kind of bland, just one straight light goes across. I think nothing cool, just factory. But I'm gonna get the LED one that looks a lot more modern and nice. So watch if you like. All right, so let's get into it. I got my trusty toolkit. Open this, and my boy Rex. It keeps following me everywhere. That's fine. All right, let's do it. You hope it's not nothing crazy. Okay, so usually there's a cover here, but I removed it a while back for quick access. There's usually one over here as well. I got removed. So let's see what kind of obvious connection. See a screw here that I probably have to remove. And guess one's supposed to be here, but it's already gone. The thing I like about the Challenger, the Dodge family vehicle, they usually make them pretty user friendly in terms of doing, you know, repairs and stuff like that. So I'm expecting this to be no different. So I'm pretty sure this connects to this here, so I'm gonna remove that. And then remove that. Alright, what else? I think there's one back here. This. That one's out. These are pretty easy to remove. You know, you just unscrew the knob for that and then unclip there. Same thing for that. So I'm more focused on this thing here. Okay. So no more obvious screws here. Except this one. See if I got anything in there for that. Okay. It's not nearly long enough, but so we got the tail light removed from one side. Now we need this removed. I already took the screw out from here. There it is right here. Now it should pop off. Oh, this thing probably needs to come out too. Nice. And unclip this. Set that aside. So pretty much done attaching it. Decided to cut out all the boring stuff because, you know, it'll put people to sleep. So here we got the oil, and put those up properly. Got the new Alright, so I'm back outside now because it's dark enough, not because I just got done. No, I didn't take this long. Yeah, I just had to wait until it was dark enough for me to see if the LED lights, what I install, work, because you can't see them during the day. So yeah, that's it right there. Look nice and clean. I plan to put a cover over it so it appears black like the other one was, which those other guys, the previous owner, should have done. If they wanted it to appear black, just put that tail light cover over it, and it'll give it that smoked out look, but it'll still allow the light to come through. So the original light that was on it, even though it looks like the original, it lights up different. The original effect just looks so dead, and this one should be more modern. You know, it's gonna, you know, just a full arch around here. Yeah, it looks real cool. And then when you press on the brake, it lights up even more. So there's like a highlight in red that makes like a oval on both sides, and then when you press the brake, it just lights up the whole thing. So we're gonna test it out now, see if I hooked up everything properly or I screwed up. Let's find out. That is beautiful. Yeah, that is beautiful. Yeah, look at that. It stays like this all the time while you're driving. And then when you press the brake, anything like that, this middle piece right here pops with additional light. And then you have the centerpiece here, which is white for the reverse. But yeah, that's it. It looks pretty sick. I love it.